Hello everyone, thank you for click this video, and today I will show you mom and son moon wallpaper trend in CapCut. So the first you can go to your Chrome and then you can go to moonpages.co.uk, and after that scroll down and click on the moon page calendar. Start to set the year, and after that start to set the month and also the date, and go to up and click on the moon, press and hold and click download image. Scroll down and choose the month again. This is birthday of my son. Then scroll up, click on the moon and click download image. And after that, back to CapCut and search for moon page wallpaper. Choose the template and click use template. Choose the moon and then click next. Go to the text and change the text. So this is the result. So this is how to create mom and son moon wallpaper trend in a CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.